What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best engine oil treatment on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered for more information on the products. I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is BestLine Engine Oil Treatment. It takes more than an oil change every 3,000 miles to keep cars, trucks, and motorcycles running smoothly. Vehicles are a big investment, and consistent maintenance is key to being able to rely on it for a long time. At BestLine, we take car care seriously. Our line of automotive engine, fuel, diesel, and powertrain additive products are designed to help you get the most out of your vehicle and keep you on the road. Take good care of your vehicle and it will take care of you. No solids, no Teflon PTFE, or any other old school ingredients. Only the latest high quality additives are used in BestLine racing engine treatment formulas. There's more to car care than oil changes and car washes. BestLine Racing manufactures a full line of automotive additives and treatments with nano diamond lubricating technology to care for, clean, and lubricate the internal components of automotive engines and systems. Reduces friction by approximately 60% compared to conventional engines by forming an ultra low friction film on top of the diamond nano coating used for any type of vehicle from go-karts to commercial trucks and everything in between. More concentrated high pressure formula. Use 1 bottle for every 5 quarts of oil. Extreme heat resistance and boundary layer protection. In our list, the number 4 product name is Slick 50 Recharged High Mileage Engine Treatment. Slick 50 Recharged High Mileage Engine Treatment Propriety ZDP formulation is built from a base of fully formulated multi-grade motor oil that meets LSAC GF5 motor oil specifications for high mileage engines. Unlike some oil additives, Slick 50 will not dilute the additives already in your motor oil. This product is dispensed in 10W30, which is a multi-grade oil, but is fully compatible with all multi-grade motor oils and monograde oils. It is fully compatible with all conventional semi-synthetic and full synthetic oil types. Fully formulated 10W30 motor oil meets GF5 requirements, which helps reduce emissions and maximize fuel economy. Friction modifier creates an enhanced protective layer of lubrication to minimize heat produced by friction. Seal Revitalizer formulated to revitalize engine seals and slow or stop leaks. Powerful detergents remove sludge and fights future buildup. Emission System Shield formulated to revitalize engine seals and slow or stop leaks. High mileage solution to protect against power robbing friction, heat, and wear. Restores performance in engines due to wear and oil consumption in older engines. Revitalizes seals to help stop oil leaks and prevent them from ever occurring. Powerful detergents to remove and prevent oil sludge. Used during your next oil change or between changes to replace lost additive content. Powerful detergents to remove and prevent oil sludge. Used during your next oil change or between changes to replace lost additive content. This product is dispensed in 10W30, which is a multi-grade oil, but is fully compatible with all multi-grade motor oils and monograde oils. It is fully compatible with all conventional, semi-synthetic, and full synthetic oil types. And in our list, the number 3 product name is Shine Armor Engine Oil Additive. Optimal engine performance. Extend your motor oil and engine life with the help of our car oil additive treatment that reduces engine temp and excessive wear while raising oil pressure and durability. Groundbreaking formula, our high viscosity nanoparticle solution creates a thick cushion between your engine parts to reduce friction and reverses wear by building a protective carbon coating. Universally compatible. Try our engine performance boosting oil additives for high mileage engines too, including both gas and diesel, that is compatible with all types of motor and engine oils. Quality assured. We know you'll love our stiction remover and oil consumption repair formula because we take pride in our products working to reduce engine noise, vibration, heat, and dry starts. Shine Armor mission. We've made it our mission to provide the automotive enthusiast community with high-end American-made oil fluid additives for a variety of vehicles without breaking the bank. In our list, the number 2 product name is Slick 50 Original Classic Engine Treatment. Slick 50 Classic Engine Treatment with Surflon PTF E32 ounce is engineered to outperform and optimize engine performance. Its advanced Surflon technology protects your engine while resisting chemical breakdown. Surflon is a ceramic reinforced fluoropolymer. The patented Surflon fluoroceramic technology increases the lubricity and durability for lubricants and coatings. The chemical compound boron nitride is added to the fluoropolymer, also known by the DuPont registered trademark Teflon. Not only is boron nitride the only material known to fully reinforce the fluoropolymer, in fact, in a 4-ball wear test, an industry standard test that measures the wear protection of a fluid on a metal surface, a base oil compound with Surflon scores 15% better than a base oil compound in PTFE alone. Directions: shake well before use. Use once a year or every oil change, whichever comes first. 5 quarts or less replace 1 quart 32 ounces of motor oil with 1 bottle 32 ounce 1 quart Slick 50 Classic Engine Treatment with Surflon PTFE. 6 quarts or more replace 20% motor oil with Slick 50 Classic Engine Treatment Surflon PTFE 32 ounce. Slick 50 Classic Engine Treatment is engineered to outperform and optimize engine performance. The original Slick 50 PTFE treatment has been updated with Surflon technology to create a ceramic reinforcement of your internal engine parts. And Slick 50 technology increases lubricity and durability for lubricants and coatings. In our list, the number 1 product name is Xado Motor Oil Additive. Rebuilds and protects engine parts for 60,000 miles. This advanced engine treatment rebuilds worn metal surfaces and forms a protective metal ceramic coating, significantly extending the lifespan of your engine components and providing durable protection against future wear for up to 62,000 miles. Significant fuel efficiency improvement reduces fuel consumption when the engine is idling and during normal driving conditions. This efficiency boost not only saves money on fuel, but also reduces your vehicle's environmental footprint. Restores and optimizes oil pressure. This treatment helps increase the oil pressure in your engine to its optimal nominal value, ensuring that all engine parts are well lubricated. This leads to reduced friction and wear, promoting smoother engine operation and longevity. Enhances engine performance and acceleration by leveling and increasing compression in the cylinders. This treatment increases overall engine power and improves acceleration. You'll notice a more responsive and powerful performance, making your driving experience more enjoyable and dynamic. Simple 3-stage treatment process designed for vehicles with an oil capacity of up to 10 quarts. This treatment requires just 3 syringes for a complete application. Follow the straightforward 3-stage process. Warm up the engine, apply the treatment, and repeat after specific mileage intervals to achieve optimal results.